Hi friends, Mr. Kevin here with the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm going to show you a fun art activity that you can add to your window gallery. It's going to be a glue sun catcher. You just need a few materials that you might already have. You're going to need some glue, white or clear, school glue will work. You're going to need some lids from your recycling. You're going to want plastic lids so that they're bendy. They're going to need to have a lip to hold the glue in. You can use yogurt lids. This is like a to-go lid. Any kind of lid that has a lip and is plastic so it bends. That will help you get your creation out when it's dry. And you're going to need some food coloring, whatever colors you want, you can mix them together to make new colors. Now all you gotta do is take your lid, open your glue, squirt your glue. You're gonna squirt a lot of glue into your lid and squeeze it. You're trying to cover the whole surface so that your lid is full of glue with at least a thin layer. And when it starts to pool, you can pick it up and swirl it around to help it spread to all the edges. Put a little more. And swirl it around. Like that. The whole circle is full. Now that our glue's full, we can use the next material. I'm going to put some red. You can just drop, boop, 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 wherever you want. And do some blue. Just squeeze it out some drops. Wherever you feel is a good spot. Maybe some yellow. And some green. You don't need to cover the whole thing. You can put as much or as little as you want, because next we're going to stir it up. So you're going to need something to stir it with. You could use a toothpick or a chopstick or a craft stick or a little teeny twig from your yard. I'm going to use a little piece of plastic. And you're going to swirl it together. You can drag it through, or you can stir it in swirls. You can mix it up as much or as little as you want. If you mix it a lot, the colors will get muddy. Ooh. Now see how it's all stripy right now with my colors mixing? Now it's going to change as you let it dry. So it's going to take about a day or 2 days to dry, so you need somewhere safe to put it so that no one will touch it and it can have a nice long time to dry. Let's look at one I did before. Once it dries, you can peel it out of your container that you used, and you'll have a big circle. And mine started out with the colors just swirled around like this one, but as it dried, the colors spread through the glue. You can use scissors and you can cut the extra curled up part off the edge to make a nicer circle if you want. You could hole punch a hole in it to put some string through to help you hang it in your window gallery. And when you hang it up, the light will shine through and it will look so beautiful. Like it's glowing like stained glass. See? And you can see different colors. I only started with red, blue, and yellow in these ones that I did. But look, right there. It's green, where my yellow and my blue mix together. See the bright green? All this green right here. And there's purple over here, where my blue and red mix together. You can see some bubbles in this one, where air was trapped under my glue. Wow, this one started just as zigzagged colors too, but they spread into these big blobs as the glue was drying. And it's so beautiful. So that's how you make a glue Suncatcher. You can share your creation with us at ExploreCML or with the hashtag CHSPlays. Bye, friends. Thanks for playing. Say bye, friends.